Hi guys, in front of me is TECNO Spark Go from 2022, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first, open Google Chrome or any other app that you are using as your browsing app, tap on More icon and select History. Here you will notice tap Clear Browsing Data, Smoothly Marker, and you've got here basic and advanced options. So all you have to do is to mark everything that you want to remove. Then select the time range, so you can remove history from past hour, 7 days, also 1 day, 4 weeks, or all time. I would like to perform a full cleanup, so I would like to pick all time. Then just tap on Clear Data, tap on Clear, and that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.